is 11 o'clock before hitting the ball. So he get the point if you do that, and this field must be apart from each other. Okay, and the action, the striker throws the ball up to the air and has to hit it as far as she or he could do for 4 times, and he or she must hit the ball, and if he did hit the ball, then he will get the point. Next, follow through. After he or she hits the ball for 4 times, he or she starts to run from the back to the collecting point. Striker tries to create opportunity to collect small points.
Sorry. What is the checklist for again? What does it assess? Can we have a look at what it's assessing?
Assessing how.
What are you assessing?
Standing, holding the bat, and how we able to hit the ball.
So it's more striking. Is that the word?
Yes. We got the points from the follow through from the best always running to collect the points. So the faster you could get, the more points you will gain. And the ability of the striker to get the points again depends on how he strike the ball. Because if he strike the ball here, he will give the opportunity for the fielder to come and collect the ball easier. So the time for the striker to move from corner to corner is a bit needed. If hit the ball further apart, that will give him the chances to run more to the furthest part of the court, so collect more points back. Okay, this is the sample of the rubrics of part that we produced. We give 5 excellent if you able to run and react independently to the opportunity created in order to score points, and we give them he or she 1 point, which is the improvement. If he or she cannot react independently, usually like macam push up or something like or something. And that's it for presentation.
Almost. Yeah, come on guys.
Almost group is next up, and then we'll have straight after Nasria's group. So get ready. Who is the presenter? Okay, for my team, I'll be presenting Okay, for my team, each one of them will present. Okay?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group, the dynamic group, yes. We're going to present firstly on the lesson plan. Our class is consists of 25 students, and the aim of the lesson is introducing baseball games to modified games. The objective is to assess students performing the right technique of hitting and quick reaction of the batter after hitting the ball. So the batter will be running, covering the bases. The teaching aids are tennis balls, baseball bat, cones as the bases, and the checklist or rubrics. So firstly, at the start of the lesson, the students will be divided into 5 per group. So there will be 5 groups, okay? And then warm-up activity, dynamic warm-up and dynamic stretching. Then the teacher will instruct all of the students. For example, for one group, the one student will be the batter, 3 students will be the fielders. My friend will show you the diagram later. And then the last student will be assessing the batter. Okay? And then the batter will perform at least 3 hits out of 5 balls. We will provide 5 balls, and then any 3 of the balls, the batter will perform at least 3 hits. And then the fielders, 3 fielders will run and grab the balls and put them in their original position. After the batter hits the ball, he or she will run covering the bases, scoring as many bases as he or she can before all the fielders put the balls back into place. And all the 5 students will change their roles. This will continue on until all of the groups get out the assessment. So, and then we're going to do some cooling down activity such as static stretching. And lastly, the teacher will ask feedbacks from the students. Okay? My friend will continue on explaining the diagram.
Hello. Sorry. Since we are dealing with 25 students, right? We're dealing with 25 students, so we divide them into 5 groups. Right? So we have group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, and group 5. So let's say we have enough equipment, right? So let's say we take group 1 first, alright? Group 1, so we divide them again, alright? This student. Alright, since we have 25 students, so we have 5 groups, so we divide them, we obtain only 5 students in each group. Alright, so let's say I take group 1, alright, so the group 1, so one student can be the hitter, alright, and then the second, third, and the fourth student will be the fielder or the collector. And then the last person, alright, the last person will be the hitter assessor. Is it correct? I'm not sure. Alright, so this student, alright, they will rotate with one another. Alright, so maybe 1 will be the assessor, 2 will be the hitter, 3, 4, and 5 will be the builder. So they will alternate. Alright. So after we divide the student, the teacher will explain how to play the games, the modified games. Actually there's only 3 balls, not 5. There's only 3 balls. So we position the batter in the shape of a baseball field. Alright, you have first base, second base, third base, and then fourth base. Alright, so the batter will be given 3 hits only. 3 hits. So if he ever only to hit 1 ball, so he only obtain 1 hit out of the 3 balls. Alright. Okay, after the batter hit the 3 balls, alright, onto the field. Alright, the fielders 1, 2, and 3. Alright, we will start collecting the ball. Alright, start collecting the balls. What fielder collecting the balls?
The batter will start running to base 1, base 2, and then base 3, and then base 4. Right? So if the fielder is still collecting the ball, right, the batter have another chance to run another round. Right? The more round he run, right, the more points he obtain. Right? So the fielder collect the 3 balls, and then the 3 balls will drop at the drop point. Right? So while the batter is running and hitting, right, this student will assess the batter. Right? So we are using 2 types of assessing. Right? One is the checklist, and another one will be right. This two will be exercise by colleagues. Thank you.
Okay, this is the rubrics. First, it assesses the tactical focus, hitting ball on the field. Okay, the students hitting 3 balls at a far distance. He or she will be given 5 excellence. 4, hitting 3 balls at a medium distance. 3, that is good, hitting 2 balls at average distance. 2, hitting 1 ball at any average distance, and 1, no hitting ball at all. And then the second one is the best, number of best often. It's maximum for 10 bases, we give them excellent. 8 to 7 bases, we give them very good. 6 to 5, good. 4 to 3, satisfactory. And 2 to 1 bases needs improvement. And the last one is behavior, very highly motivated. We give them 5. 4, highly motivated. 3, motivated. 2, low motivated, and no motivation at all, so 0 marks for them. And checklist.
Okay. Preparatory, proper standing and holding of bat, of test, swing movement and the accuracy of hitting, follow through, and product of swing movement. We can just pick either reason of answer. Okay.
Next group will be Melanie's group. No, Nasir's. After Nasir's will be Melanie's group. Thanks. After that will be Masnur 1 with Amir and Masnur 2 with Rahman.
We're from team 8. This is our lesson 10. Our aim is to improve the student skill in positioning the ball on the field as a throwing. Objective: to improve the student ability to communicate with the teammate, to improve the student ability to